Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a Canva portrait using card and photo editing easy Canva tutorial. And for us to be able to get started, just head here onto canva.com and click on create a design onto the upper part corner of the screen. Then right after, you could go ahead and choose onto any suggested size in here, or you could go ahead and also create your own custom size. So if you click onto your custom size, just add it in here, the width and also the height. Once done, just go ahead and click onto create new design and then you'll get redirected onto the editing page. On the editing page, what you need to do first is to go ahead and upload here onto the left side the image or your own portrait. So you could go ahead and drag and drop it in here. So right after it will be downloaded, you'll just have to go ahead and add that one here onto the page. So let's just wait for this one first. And right after, let's resize this one out. Go ahead and look something like this. And then right after, we'll just have to click onto edit image here onto the upper part. Now right after, just go ahead and click onto the PG remover here under Magic Studio, and this should remove the background that you have onto your photo. Then right after, just go ahead and click onto the elements in here, and then here, click onto frame. So you should find in the circle option in here for frame. Let's make this bigger, and then right after, get the photo of the back of it and add it onto the circle. So you'll just have to adjust the photo in here. You'll just have to double tap it, and then you could go ahead and adjust it as per your liking. Right after, once it looks like this, you could go ahead and edit the image again. And by this one, to add in a character field, you could use the pixelify option, or you could go ahead and edit this manually. So let's add pixelify in here. And as you can see, it will pixelate your image. You'll just have to adjust it as per your liking. Have it just like that. And then you could go ahead and click on to replace your photo. So I think this one is good already. Right after that, you could add in more options in here. Just edit the image. And then we could try to add in a filter to add in a cartoon feel. Now for this one, I've used in the vivid filter area for this to make it look like a cartoon character. Then right after, head back here onto elements, and then you could add in more design, such as a shape circle, so that we could add an outline here onto our design. So we could choose this shape in here, and then we could choose a color, click onto this one, and there are a lot of options to choose from. Make this bigger, and then right after, just put this layer onto the back. And as you can see, you have successfully already created a Canva portrait cartoon character. You could go ahead and click onto share here onto the upper part, click onto download to go ahead and save this onto your device. And that is just basically it, how you create a Canva portrait using cartoon photo editing in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.